Alright, so here we have our trading robot. On the right side, we have a list of 10 strategies that are available currently. However, we're going to expand that list. We're going to add more strategies. We're casting these strategies manually before adding them to the robot. So you have strategies of different difficulty. You have completely beginner-friendly strategies like moving average, cross, and of course you have more difficult ones like pivot reversal strategy, pivot extension strategies, and a professional trader strategies like Rogue Booker's EBX breakout. So whatever you choose to trade with, you can select it. For now, let's start easy. Let's go for RSI strategy. So we selected. Next step is getting our asset. You want a good payout on your assets. So let's look. Australian dollar Canadian looks like a solid 183%. I usually go for above 80. And now we select the asset Australian dollar Canadian right here. And the good thing about this robot is that will actually adjust the strategy settings to the time frame that you select. So for example, 1 minute settings for the strategy will be completely different than 1 day because it's completely different type of trade. So let's select 1 minute for now. That's what we need. And now we press start analysis, and that's the entire process. That's how simple it is. The robot will do the rest of the work for you. It will analyze the chart, it will find an entry point, and it will give you a nice and easy trade signal that you can follow. And here we have it. We have a buy position here. So let's go ahead and place $1,000 here on Australian dollar Canadian. I'm gonna place another 1,000 as the price dips a little bit lower. But look at the efficiency that you have. First of all, you have a screenshot right here of your chart, and this, if you zoom out, you can see that it is exactly the same. We have our entry point, we have our trading asset that we have selected, we have the strategy, RSI strategy, and the time frame that we selected, entry price as well. So if you want to really time it, then try to enter at the entry price where it actually hits it. And of course, we have a strategy comment. RSI rises from 45 to 65. So let's add RSI to the chart, and we can say that right here we have exactly this point. Here's a 45 right here, and it goes all the way up to 65 right here. So the reading has been calculated by the robot. That is a bullish signal. That is why we're receiving a buy position signal, and now we're just collecting our money. I'm not worried about the price dipping here below. We still get it. We get one, we get the return on that one, but we get the second one. So $860 off profit. We have price breaks a key resistance level, and if you zoom out, here is our resistance level. You can just add a horizontal line, and immediately you can see your resistance level that was broken. The price did hit it right here, went all the way down. We have a breakout, and now we are retesting this level before the price continues its move upwards. So nice and easy, $860. And now let's go and select a different strategy. Let's select moving average strategy for now, and now let's do the same asset, right? Why not? 86% payout. So let's go ahead, 1 minute, press start analysis, and that's how simple it is. Simple 3 clicks. You just select the strategy that you like, and you are good to go. So let's wait for the analysis to be done. We're gonna place a bigger trade here to secure more profit, because we only made $860 so far, but it was only one trade, and we are already making $1,000 off of it. So here we have a signal, and we have with the price consolidating under both, MACD is in negative territory and not rising selling volume. So we place a sell position here on this trade without any doubt, and we want to top it off with more money here, because this is a strong sell signal. Even though we have a strong bullish candle here appearing, everything is pointing towards the price continuing its move downwards. So we are betting on that. We're placing our money. This is 4,000. This is going to yield us a lot of profit. But once again, let's read into the comment and really try to understand the essence of what's going on. The 20 MA broke below the 50 MA, which is a bearish signal, with the price consolidating underneath both. MACD is in negative territory and rising selling volume. Let's actually add MACD to the chart, and you can immediately see that the line has crossed in a downwards direction, which is a bearish signal. And we also have a bearish volume increasing here as the red bar start to build up. So you're not only getting one indicator that you have selected, which is moving average for this one, you also get the readings from other indicators that accompany this strategy. So this is amazing, and we make a lot of profit on this trade. And look at that, perfect execution, and we are now on top. Very solid trade right here. This is almost $4,000 of profit, 3.7k. So good. Let's go ahead and do one more trade. Now let's go a little bit deeper here and select Rogue Booker ADX breakout. We're gonna change our trading asset. Let's check if we have everything better here. Swiss franc kind of mid, and Euro Australian dollar should be solid. Not the best situation here. We have consolidated market, so let's go ahead and try to make something happen. Euro Australian dollar, 1 minute. Once again, as you remember, the strategy itself, the robot will adjust the settings of the strategy for the time frame that you select. Press start analysis, and we're good. We just wait. That's all we need to do. So let's see it. The analysis should be coming in really fast, between 5 to 10 seconds, depending on how difficult the market. The robot does take time, and we have a sell position. So let's place $1,000 on the sell position here, and let's read into it. Comment the minus DI line dominates while ADX pushes past 27. So let's go ahead and add ADX here. So we have the reading. ADX pushes past 27. A bearish breakout from a consolidation range forms with increased volume, validating the move. So this is super nice. And as you can see right here, we have it pushed below 27. The ADX line was right here, but now it's dipping to 21. So just like that, we're securing another nice win for ourselves. And that's how easy it is. That's how easy trading can be. And once again, you're not trading blindly. You have the breakdown, you select the strategy that you like, and you just go in and make your money while educating yourself on how to actually trade and how to actually utilize these tools. This is going to be an amazing experience for people who are getting into trading. And if you actually combine it with daily trading tutorials, daily trading sessions with me and my team, you have a nice ecosystem where you can build and grow. But we are finishing our trading session with a solid $5,000 profit. Just like that, we did 3 trades, we made solid profit, and now we can be off the market.